Hi everybody, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about green algae or mildew or mold that may be on the outside of your home, and you want to figure out a way to clean that off. Now traditionally people will get up on a ladder, maybe use a pressure washer or soap and water and a scrub brush and a sponge. That still works, but it's a heck of a lot of work. Now you have a bunch of alternatives, and one such product is called Wet and Forget Outdoor. Wet and Forget Outdoor, as you can see, is a non-acidic, non-bleach, no rinsing needed, no scrubbing, and most importantly, no pressure washing to help clean that green and black stuff that's maybe on just about any outdoor surface. So whether it's canvas, brick, a patio, maybe there's moss on your brickwork, Wet and Forget will work with the wind and the rain, and over time take all that organic material, break it down, and clean it off. Now they have a brand new unit right here. This bottle right here is a spray bottle, what they call the rapid application. You can actually connect it to your hose. In the past, it was a solution that you had to mix with water and use a pump sprayer, which still is available, in particular if you have to work in tight areas. But for this application, you can see the discoloration that's on the vinyl siding. This is the perfect blend of the product and water to do it. Now, because we have some vegetation down low, when you're using Wet and Forget, especially with something like this, you want to go ahead and pre-treat it with just water. Now on this dial, you'll see the off, and then there's water, and you're just going to turn that down. So I'm just spraying water on the vegetation, just in case I get a little of this on there. Remember, it is non-caustic, but the whole idea behind this product is it kills the organic material. So that means that whatever's on the side of this house, it's actually growing. So we don't want it to kill any of this plant work at all. So we're going to treat it with water first. When we get done spraying the Wet and Forget, we're going to spray down the plants one more time. So now I'm going to turn the dial all the way, and we're going to go ahead and spray this siding from top to bottom. Now you see, it can reach up to about 20 feet or so, and you want to just start, spray it. You see the soap that's getting on there. It's not really soap, it's the blend of the material there, and you can reach without having to get up on a ladder. And once you coat it all, that's it. You don't have to rinse, you don't have to pressure wash, it'll drip down, and you just want to get a nice coverage on there. That's it. There's no rinsing. Usually takes about 15 to 20 days, and you'll start to see that discoloration go away. There's other products similar to this that you'll find at your local participating Ace store, but this Wet and Forget product really does work.